Have you moved house to only find your TV reception is fuzzy or a mess? Are you tired of your current living room layout and ready to shake things up? Metropolitan is here to help. Hey, my name's Alex, and I'm here to tell you why an updated antenna is so crucial for your daily viewing experience. A modern antenna installation can be all the difference. You no longer have to be stuck in the 90s, boosting your signal with a clumsy portable antenna. Enjoy the best there is with digital TV and a bigger and better modern antenna. The seamless addition of an antenna splitter also means you can have multiple TV outlets in your home. You can escape while the kids are busy streaming or gaming in the lounge room. Meanwhile, if you're looking to renovate, Metropolitan is your local electrical expert for relocating antenna outlets, power points and data cables. If you're ready to update your antenna for the ultimate television experience, it's time to call Metropolitan on 1300 157 706. You can have a tailor-made solution to suit your exact needs.